II.1, a Comte 1. Introduction to Auguste Comte. Isidore Marie Auguste François Xavier Comte, better known as Auguste Comte, 1798-1857, was a key figure in the early days of sociology. His life spanned a period of significant upheaval and transformation in Europe, marked by revolutions and rapid societal changes. These events deeply influenced his thinking and led him to question how societies work and evolve. Point 2. Comte's early life and education. Comte's upbringing in a traditional Catholic and Royalist family initially shaped his worldview. However, as he grew older, he began to challenge these perspectives. His education in Montpellier laid the foundation for his intellectual development. When he moved to Paris, his exposure to new ideas and his studies in science further fueled his interest in understanding societal dynamics. Point 3. Comte's work with Saint-Simon. In Paris, Comte's encounter with Henri de Saint-Simon, a prominent social theorist, was pivotal. Their collaboration was fruitful, with Saint-Simon's ideas significantly influencing Comte's thoughts on social reform and organization. This partnership helped Comte refine his own theories about society and its structures. Point 4. Development of positivism. Comte's most notable contribution is the development of positivism. This philosophy advocates for a scientific approach to understanding the world, including human society. Comte argued that just as natural sciences like physics and biology rely on empirical evidence and observation, the study of society should also be grounded in scientific methods. Point 5. The law of three stages. Comte's theory of the law of three stages outlines the evolution of human thought. He proposed that societies progress through a religious stage, where explanations are based on supernatural forces, a metaphysical stage, characterized by philosophical reasoning, and finally, a positive stage, where knowledge is derived from scientific inquiry and empirical evidence. 6. Comte and sociology. The term sociology was coined by Comte to define the new science of society. He envisioned sociology as a discipline that could systematically study and understand social phenomena, using methods similar to those in the natural sciences. Comte believed that through sociology, it would be possible to diagnose and address societal problems effectively. Point 7. Comte's influence on later sociologists. Comte's ideas laid the foundation for future sociological thought. His emphasis on a scientific approach to studying society influenced many later sociologists, even those who did not fully agree with his theories. His work sparked debates and discussions that helped shape the field of sociology. Point 8. Comte's later life. In his later years, Comte developed the religion of humanity, a secular belief system intended to foster social unity and moral order without relying on supernatural beliefs. Although this aspect of his work was less influential than his earlier contributions, it reflected his ongoing concern with social cohesion and moral values. Point 9. Comte's death and legacy. Comte passed away in 1857, leaving behind a rich intellectual legacy. His pioneering work in establishing sociology as a distinct academic discipline and his advocacy for the application of scientific methods to the study of society have cemented his place as a foundational figure in sociology. His influence extends beyond his lifetime, continuing to shape sociological thought and practice. Point 10. Main publications: A Course in Positive Philosophy, Cours de Philosophie Positive, 1830–1842. This 6-volume work is Comte's most famous and influential publication. In it, he introduced the idea of the law of three stages, which states that human societies progress through religious, metaphysical, and scientific, positive, stages of development. This work also laid the foundation for the field of sociology. B. System of Positive Polity, Système de Politique Positive, 1851–1854. In this 4-volume series, Comte further developed his ideas, introducing the concept of the religion of humanity, which was an attempt to create a spiritual basis for his theory of social organization. This work reflects his shift from scientific analysis to a focus on social reorganization. Circa, The Positive Philosophy of Auguste Comte, 1853, freely translated and condensed by Harriet Martineau, This publication made Comte's ideas more accessible to an English-speaking audience. Martineau's work was instrumental in popularizing Comte's thoughts in the Anglophone world. D. General View of Positivism, Discours sur l'ensemble du positivisme, 1848. This work succinctly outlines Comte's philosophical views, particularly his theory of positivism, which advocates for the scientific understanding of society and rejects metaphysical and theological explanations. E. Introduction to Positive Philosophy, 1830-1842. Often considered a part of his larger work, Course in Positive Philosophy, this introduction is sometimes published separately. It provides an overview of Comte's philosophical thoughts and methodological approach to studying society. Auguste Comte's role in the birth and development of sociology cannot be overstated. His innovative approach to understanding society through a scientific lens marked a significant shift in how social phenomena were studied. While some of his ideas may have fallen out of favor, his overall impact on the field of sociology is profound and enduring. Comte's work opened new avenues for exploring and comprehending the complexities of human societies.